Hi, I am Morgan Hoagland. I'm a teacher at the school here in town. I'm making this little announcement just to um, tell that I am a mandatory reporter of child abuse that I see at the highest level of law. So it's kind of a big deal. And the reason I'm making this announcement is because reporting child abuse is something that can save a child's life, really turn their life in a better direction. And I want us to kind of all be in it together. There are many different forms of child abuse, sexual child abuse, mental abuse, physical abuse, neglect. Neglect is the most common form of abuse, and that is just refusing to take care of a child's basic needs. We all have basic needs that need to be met, and children just aren't capable yet of doing those things on their own. Um, that's why they have parents and guardians to kind of be there to take care of that. Emotional abuse is another form of child abuse that is probably a little bit less understood, but it can have lasting impacts just like other forms of child abuse. These impacts could be physical and mental health issues, problematic behaviors, long-term learning difficulties. That emotional abuse kind of stunts their ability to continue learning and growing in school because other things are on their mind. And so these are all things I'm going to be on the lookout for. I want us to all kind of look out for each other. And if you have any feelings or things you would like to talk to me about, I'm here to talk and let's take care of these kids together.